Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a quesadilla vine, only way. Heat a skillet on medium and use a light spray of oil to prevent sticking. Layer cheese and minimal fillings on half the tortilla, fold gently, then press with a spatula to seal edges. Let it cook until golden, then flip once and pull the tortilla apart with tongs for one dramatic, satisfying stretch. In this video, I will explain how to make a quesadilla vine, only way. Use a consistent medium heat so the cheese melts without charring the tortilla. Watch the edges for a light browning before flipping to ensure an even crisp. After the second side finishes, let the quesadilla rest briefly so the cheese sets just enough to stretch rather than spill, producing a clean, long pull for the camera. In this video, I will help make a quesadilla vine, only way. Position your camera low and close to the skillet edge to capture the cheese as it stretches toward the lens. Choose a neutral background and steady your hands or use a tripod to avoid shaky footage. Time the pull with the cheese just melted and slightly elastic, and narrate or add a simple sound cue to enhance the moment for viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.